G'day, I'm using iOS 17 camera on my iPhone, which is normal. Today, we're going to talk about how to add iPhone widgets, just like this, to the new macOS Sonoma 14 beta. And don't forget, you need to get iOS 17 to actually get this done. So let's get started, shall we?
From the tech hubs of Cyber City comes Sean's Tech Talk with Sean Campbell.
G'day, welcome to Sean's Tech Talk for this week. I'm Sean Campbell. Now, last week I talked about Sonoma, Mac OS Sonoma, and its new beta, iOS 14 and Mac OS 14. Sorry, not iOS. What am I talking about? Now, as you see, this is the desktop itself, and you can see my ugly mug on the left-hand side, and as well as the podcasts app. Now, we're going to add a new widget. Now, I've just got this. My phone updated to the new iOS 17 beta, where you can add all your widgets and integrate with Apple with the Mac OS Sonoma. So I'm going to show you how to add it. Now, I'm not going to show you the programs I use because I'm not going to do that. But what I'll do is show you how to add it. And this is a simple how-to. Right-click on the desktop and then edit widgets. As you can see, all of the widgets are there. And they've finally put everything into one place. You got all these lovely programs here, as you can see, from all my apps. Snapchat, SoundCloud, TikTok, yes, TikTok, Apple TV, TuneIn Pro, Zoom, app, YouTube Music, everything from iOS 17. Now, it's easy to do, and all you have to do is actually install iOS 17 beta, which you can get from beta.apple.com. That's it. And you just enroll your phone onto it. You will reset the phone and will show you the betas for 16 and 17. If you do with 17 though, get a burner. No, this is a serious thing. I'm using it on my normal phone, but I do highly recommend a burner. And not a burner, a production machine where you don't need to worry about backing up and just put it into backups and stuff like that. Because if you lose your information updating to any iOS product, or software, you might lose the whole lot. Last week, I actually did lose the whole lot because a certain program I use didn't work on the system and stuffed my Wi-Fi, and it completely stuffed my whole computer. I lost everything, but the good thing is I backed up into a cloud server, which I've got. So I'm lucky. Most people may not be lucky. So, back everything up before you use it or get a production phone. All right, let's start off. I'm going to make it simple. I'm going to add Audible. And you can see there's three options. There is the small screen, big screen, medium screen, and small screen. And I do have an app, a book called Stop Driving Anxiety, because to tell the truth, and honestly, I haven't told people like this before, I have actually going for my P plate soon. Yes, I am a learner driver at 47 years old, and it's seriously nerve-wracking where you're driving on the road for the first time in a very long time, or haven't driven at all until this age. I haven't driven in a long time, but I only driven twice in my life, but I'm driving weekly at the moment, and it's great. It's brilliant. I drive down the streets of Wagga and scare a whole heap of people. Thank God. But I've got a good ex-police officer who is my learner driver, and she's got her own business. It's pretty good. So, anyway, I'm reading an audiobook, Stop Driving Anxiety, and I'm going to add that to it. And as you can see, it's added. Simple, easy, like that. BBC Sounds. We'll have a look at that. Show schedules. You want me to add that? Maybe. Well, I'm not going to add Beam to it because that's a banking thing. Bomb. Our weather for our region. Instead of using the program I use here called Weatherly, I might go onto the official Bureau of Meteorology website. I'll add that. So that's how simple it is. And it says from iPhone on your screen right here. So basically, it is adding stuff to your iPhone, from your iPhone to your macOS Sonoma. So, like I said, get Sonoma and iOS 17. It's so easy to do. All the information is on the website at the Sean's Tech Talk website and the beta.apple.com website. SeanTechTalk.com built soon, not .com, .au will be built soon. And yeah, because I'm taking so long because I'm transferring web hosts. Well, not transferring from one web host to another. I'm still with the same web host, but I'm transferring to a new server. So that's going to take time. 2 weeks, Sean's Tech Talk will be on there, but Sean's Tech Talk.SeanCampbellShow.au will be up in the next hour after this, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. Nah, seriously, I'll let you know what's going to happen very soon. But that's it for Sean's Tech Talk. I hope you enjoyed it. You have just been Sean, and I'll talk to you guys next time on Sean's Tech Talk. Bye-bye.
Tech Talk.